Lately, I've been learning that resetting my mind doesn't mean having all the answers. It means choosing peace one day at a time. Not every morning will begin with answers. They will begin with intention. Today, I'm choosing to open the curtains, let the light in, and start again. As I make my tea and prepare breakfast, I'm reminding myself that peace doesn't always come from having everything figured out. Sometimes it comes from slowing down and inviting God into the ordinary moments. This is my reminder to reset my mind, be present, and trust that each new day brings fresh grace, one simple moment at a time. Hello and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Lucretia and I want to thank you for joining me today. So you guys, I'm just up this morning before work. Today is Friday, June the 12th, and I am just up getting some things ready before I head out to work. You just saw me kind of opening the curtains and doing some things. I just wanted to kind of get my mind started this morning on the right track, and just wanted to spend some peaceful time with the Lord this morning while doing that. And also I just fixed me some oatmeal that you saw me fixing. I'm about to sit down and eat that before I head out, and then I fixed some tea that I'm going to take out with me to work. I just want to spend a few moments with you guys today. Just want to make it a quiet day, quiet moment. Showing you guys some of the things that I normally do. So today is Friday. I just wanted you to spend some time with me as we go through the week, as I prepare to wind down and go through the weekend. But I'll probably just share a little bit of my today moments, and then we'll just pick it up again for next week. But I hope you guys have enjoyed what you've seen thus far. I hope that you will stay tuned, and I will check in with you guys a little bit later. This morning, I'm choosing to slow down and start with gratitude. As I sit and eat breakfast, I'm reminding myself that every day doesn't have to begin perfectly to still be meaningful. Before heading out, I run upstairs to give my boys a kiss and hold on to these small moments that matter so much. Now it's time for work and everything the day will bring. But today I want to carry peace instead of pressure and trust God through each moment. One day at a time, one step at a time. After a full day, I'm back home carrying in groceries and settling back into the rhythm of home. These moments may seem simple, but I'm learning not to overlook them. Caring for my home, preparing for another day, and being present in the little things is a blessing. Life doesn't always happen in big moments. Sometimes peace is found while unpacking bags, putting things away, and being thankful for what God has provided. Today, I'm choosing to slow down and appreciate what's right in front of me. Now the day is slowing down, and I'm ending it in one of my favorite ways, preparing dinner for my family. There's something meaningful about gathering in the kitchen and caring for the people I love through simple moments like this. Not every moment has to be big to matter. Sometimes love looks like showing up, making a meal, and being present. Today reminded me that peace can be found in the ordinary, and I'm grateful for another day to serve, love, and be intentional at home. Hi you guys, so we have come to the end of this vlog. I know that it was a short vlog, but I just wanted to capture me just resetting my home and just winding down and resetting, get a new mindset as we go into the weekend. But I hope you guys have enjoyed it, and I just want to leave this with you guys. I just want you guys to know that I love you guys so very, very much, and there is nothing that God can't do. I want you to remember that there is nothing that God can't do. Remember, the word of God says, I can do all things through Christ who gives me strength. So I just want you to remember that, take that into, your week, take it into your everyday, and just remember that God has got you no matter what's going on in your life. I love you guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.